Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Me Plus 3 TV. Well, right now it's Me Plus 2 and 3 on the way, coming soon. So if y'all want to see those vlogs of, my pregnancy journey, I will have the link up above on the cards. But
and guys, don't forget to put the one that we did part 1 on tasting the snack crate over here.
It'll be up here on the left side. It's always on the left side. Okay, if y'all want to see our old snack crate, it'll be up there on the left. It'll pop up. So if you're interested in watching that, click on it, watch it, like, comment, and subscribe for that one. Today, we have a new one.
I have 2 things to say.
What would you like to say?
So the first thing is that, like, when we did our old one, like, those stripes, the rainbow stripes, and the red stuff on it looks like the stuff on Apple Jacks. And the second thing I have to say is I'm nervous, scared at the same time. I don't really know what's gonna happen in here. I'm just
Anyway, we don't know where we are going with this box today because it is nice
to Japan
and sealed, so we do not know what's inside, what state, what country we are going to. But if you guys do not know, Snackcrate is $14.99 a month. They give you, I don't know how many snacks yet because this is just our second box, but I will put all the information for Snackcrate down below. So
wait, like, can't you just like go on the website? Can't we just like go on the website and then like...
No, it doesn't tell you what box you get.
Oh.
So we are going to bust this bad boy open and see where we are going today. So if you would like to see where we're going and how these snacks are, make sure you stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and like this video and share the video.
We're gonna make a new channel about all of us doing snack crates.
So yeah, stay tuned, guys. So we got the snack crate. Baby girl's about to open it, and we about to see where we are going today. So
we're going to Japan. Box is open.
And we're going to Spain.
Bree, put some more excitement.
All right, so you guys, we are going to Spain this time, and I'm going to give a little bit of fun facts about Spain. So, yeah. Okay, fun facts. On average, Spaniards devote 15 out of 24 hours to leisure eating and drinking and sleeping. The first known stapler was made in the 18th century in the Basque Country for the French King Louis XV. Every single staple was engraved with the royal emblem. When Spanish children lose their tooth, they put it under their pillow, and a small mouse called Ratoncito Perez comes to collect it and leaves a small gift or money in its place. It says public nudity is legal in Spain, all the better to enjoy the balmy Mediterranean temperate climate with its 3,000 hours of sunlight a year. And it says the oldest restaurant in the world is in Madrid. Restaurante Batin has been open since 1725. So that's just a little bit of stuff about Spain.
I think they have like the king inside of like in the museum.
And they also have this paper, this flyer here in the box as well, that shows you all the things that can be inside your box. It's not all the things that can be inside your box. It's just a variation of what is in it and tells you a little bit of facts about that item. So the first item, which I'm going to also have little close-ups of it so you guys can see what the packaging looks like. But this is a bag of Ruffles, Sabor, jamon. I don't know. I can't get the, the accent.
It's a natural flavor in Spain. These wavy potato chips feature the salty and savory flavor of reversed Spanish ham.
So this next thing we have are these Hayo fried eggs taste chips.
And it says these uniquely flavored savory chips have an uncanny resemblance to an actual fried egg. You might have just found a perfect breakfast substitute.
That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. They look kind of nasty.
Then the next thing we have are white chocolate covered berries and cereal mini biscuits.
Delicious biscuits made with crunchy cereal and bits of blueberries, semi-coated in smooth white chocolate. I like that.
Okay, guys. I know I kind of called those chips nasty, but I never used a book by its cover.
Then we have these little hard candies here. They give us about 4 or 5 pieces.
Yes,
It says they're
6.
called picotas. These bright red candies feature a crunchy, savory outer layer with a soft, gummy center bursting with cherry flavors.
The next thing we have is Finite Roll Fins.
And this one, with claims to the longest candy belt thrown, this fruity roll-up will take your taste buds on a tart trip with its intense sour flavor.
Oh.
And then we have these.
We have
These little star-shaped crunchy corn snacks. May be
Not too
small, but they pack a spicy cheese flavoring that is shockingly delicious.
And then lastly, we have these Mevio I'm guessing it's a cookie, and it says layer of crunchy waffle sandwiched together with creamy nougat, then dipped in a rich chocolate to make an unmistakably flavor. So those are everything that we got in this box. We got everything but 1, 2, 3, 4 items. So I'm guessing those other 4 items will be in another variation of the box. So if you want to see how we feel about these candies or treats, make sure you stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna try our first item, which is the Ruffles potato chips.
I don't really like barbecue because I see barbecue on there, and I don't really like barbecue chips.
It has Ruffles potato.
And it looked like it got some sort of meat on it.
Ham.
Or
It said it had ham.
ham. It's ham. Okay, so.
Wait, ham on chips?
All right, let's see.
This is what the chip looks like.
Smells like barbecue to me.
It's like a barbecue chip.
I got a
with ham.
little chip.
I smell a little hint of ham.
Actually, it smells like those smoky treats.
It smells good to me.
It smells good. Okay, y'all ready? 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
They're good.
Tastes like a regular
Just like something from Thanksgiving. Something.
It just tastes like a regular barbecue mixed with ham.
Yeah.
It's good though.
Kind of like that.
It's good. All right, so that's one
I'm
item.
gonna try the Sabre fried egg taste chips.
All right.
L Valley.
I definitely don't keep those.
I'm nervous about this one.
Oh, it's hard to open. It smells like nothing.
Let me smell.
That's a small piece. How you gonna taste like that?
I don't know. I just found it.
They don't look like. It says it's
Yeah,
like.
it smells like nothing.
It smells like mine smells like egg.
Yeah, mine's just a little bit.
Yeah, they all smell like eggs.
It doesn't look like a fried egg, but it smells like a breakfast fried egg. So,
Oh, I'm scared.
3, 2, 1.
Tastes like
Tastes
egg.
like an egg.
Yeah, it tastes like fried egg.
Wait.
It's not bad.
What do you mean
Not-
soda breeze?
It's not bad, but it's good. I didn't get to taste anything.
But to me, afterwards, it tastes like a fart.
Nothing.
It tastes like a fart.
A fart. Okay, the next
I don't like
part. The next thing we're gonna taste.
Are these cookies?
Yeah, I think there's.
And these are the galetas con cereales. Sorry, y'all, my accent, you know.
Yeah. We don't know. We don't. Yeah.
Oh,
we
they're
don't
so
know
cute.
Spain.
They're little biscuits.
This
It
too
smells
light.
good.
biscuit balls. It does.
It smells
like
good.
it has raisins in it.
I smell cookies.
Okay, so,
Oh my gosh.
It smells like blueberries.
Yeah,
Like the Nutri-Grain bars.
all right. 3, 2, 1.
These are to die for.
Mmm.
Kind of tastes like blueberry Skittles.
Okay, to me, they taste like those Nutri-Grain bars with the white chocolate on the bottom and there's blueberries in it.
Yeah. Kind of tastes like that to me.
Yeah, but then it still gets the aftertaste of blueberries to me. Let me get one more so I can see.
Okay. So after we're done eating these, we're going to try the rolly things.
It's good. It ain't bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Crunchy cereal and bits of blueberries.
Yeah.
Instead of cereal, I taste Skittles.
For the next item that we have, it is the fruit roll-up thingy. It's Finny Roller.
Finny,
I'm gonna break it in pieces. No,
So it's just like one of them.
Like,
you know,
bubble tape.
What's it like? What's the sour long candy? Y'all know what I'm talking about. The long.
It kind
Hopefully it tastes like that, because the last time we had one of these roll up thingies, it won't good to me.
It kind of looks like bubble tape, whatever you want to call it, because it's.
But it tastes. It smells strawberry.
Strawberry. Now, if y'all don't know, I'm obsessed with strawberries.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Yep. I love these. I love these.
Mom, you can have those ones because
Now, when it comes to fruity candy, this is what I'm looking for when I'm talking about the sour, the sweet.
No.
That last one from Hawaii was not it. It was not giving what I thought it was gonna give.
I liked it.
This one is giving.
Sour
I want
flavor.
those. I want those.
I love
2
it.
chips and.
Okay, shush.
Okay.
We're gonna try
Next one we're gonna try is this. I'm guessing it's like a.
Miel.
It looks like a Kit Kat.
It looks like a candy bar.
Vienna. Miel turn. Vienna.
It's like a wafer.
Vienna.
A wafer.
A wafer cookie bar.
Yeah, a wafer.
Okay.
I never had a wafer.
What are these things you have to split? Oh my gosh.
So what it look like?
Oh.
It looks chocolatey, like Kit Kat.
Full of chocolate.
Or it looks like one of those like mega big.
And
like
wafer
those,
because
those mega big Kit
you can
Kats,
hear
but it's
it.
not. Just like.
It's like a Kit Kat
Yeah.
I don't want to
It-
get that
it
much.
sounds-
/ Nutter Butter.
Yeah.
That just smells like chocolate. All
It
right.
smells like those things that
There's
you
peanut butter
have.
inside.
It looks like
Like-
peanut butter.
It smells like those things that you have, like
Here's the inside
strawberry
of it.
with a layer of
Okay, wait for cookie.
strawberry.
All right,
Oh,
so
yeah.
ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, it tastes like those things with like the strawberry.
It tastes like a Nutter Butter.
Yeah,
like it.
those things with these. and
Kinda.
then- Yeah, it tastes like those things with these,
I
and then like strawberry on top, and then this, and then strawberry on the top. And
I don't
then
like it.
this strawberry.
I don't like it.
This ain't Nutter Butter. I changed my mind. I don't know what the nougat is.
It's good to me.
Mm-mm. I don't like it. I don't like the nougaty center. I thought it was gonna be like Nutter Butter. I don't know if it's the chocolate, if this is like dark chocolate or something, but
It's
I
like
think there's peanut butter
creamy.
inside.
I don't like it.
Okay, the
So they
next,
can have that one.
the next thing is these. I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's a lot of words. The Shape Star Crunchy Corn Snacks.
So these are like chips, I'm guessing.
Let's
You
just
can
call
show
them
them what it
goldfish.
looks like.
Goldfish.
Yeah, they kind of look like goldfish to me. Like when
No,
we
they
first
don't.
opened the box, I was like, "Is that goldfish in there?"
So these are star-shaped corn snacks
Corn snacks.
with a cheesy flavor.
I love me some corn. I'll take 2.
You're supposed to take two.
It smells like a hot barbecue
It smells like nothing.
Oh my god.
cheesy barbecue flavor. I don't know.
I want to take these when we go like to our trip.
It smells like it's gonna be a little bit spicy.
I want to take these
Okay.
when we go to
Ready?
our trip to my cousin's house.
3, 2, 1.
It's spicy, a little bit spicy,
I don't like it.
but cheesy at the same time.
I don't like it.
It's good to me.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on.
Those
It's spicy,
Let me
but
see.
spicy,
Hold on.
good, sweet. Like most people would say sour, sweet, gone,
Okay.
but it's spicy, sweet.
I like the
gone.
spiciness. I changed my mind. I like it. They're good. Yep. All right. Spain ain't let me down yet.
Yep.
Well, kinda. All right. So the last item we have is pocotas.
Cocotas.
These bright red candies feature a crunchy, sugary outer layer with a sort of gummy center bursting with the cherry flavor.
The sparkle was.
all the A's.
So it has like, it's soft with some
Yeah, it's a gummy.
sugary thing layer outside of it.
That's what
It's
it
not
looks
really a
like.
hard candy. What?
It's not a hard candy.
Oh, because it says with a soft
I'm
the soft
scared.
layer. No, what with the soft gummy center.
It doesn't have a scent, so, but it says it's cherry flavored. So, you ready?
Mhm.
3, 2, 1.
This tastes like a gummy
No kidding.
with sugar on top, or a jelly bean with sugar on top, and
I feel like it would be
There's
better with the hard
bleach on
candy
the top.
instead.
Yeah, it tastes like a jelly bean with some sugar on the top.
mine
That's
tastes
all,
it
like
has
a
bleach
cherry.
on top.
Jelly bean. It's not bad.
Yeah,
but I
it's
wouldn't
not bad. It's just
I wouldn't run to the store and be like, oh, I need that. Like, But it's good. It's not bad.
seriously, Brie.
Not bad.
Okay.
But yeah. So this was everything that was in our box. I enjoyed it. Did y'all enjoy it?
Yeah, I kind of enjoyed it.
All right, so we're gonna give y'all our thoughts in the next clip. So if y'all want to know how we felt about these snacks, then stay tuned for the next clip. No, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things in this box this time around. I can't remember how much we had in our last one,
6.
but
We had 6.
yeah. So out of the 7, what would you rate us?
6 out of 7.
6 out of 7. I will rate it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 7 as well. And what would you rate it?
A 6 out of 8.
7.
It's only 7 items.
Oh, a 7 out of 6.
Okay.
6 out of 7. So which one didn't you not like?
I didn't like these because they kind of taste like jelly beans on the bottom.
So she didn't like the cookies. I didn't like.
Actually, 6 out of 7. I didn't like
just said that.
these either.
So she said 5 out of 7.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with 5 out of 7 too because I really didn't like the fried egg chips,
Those
and
are
I
good.
didn't like the chocolate nougaty cookie thingy majiggy that was supposed to be like a Kit Kat, whatever. I didn't like that one either.
That
So
one tastes like those
No, I
things
give
that
it
Daddy used to like.
5 out of 7 as well.
Those one was like a layer and strawberry and a layer and strawberry.
you
and a
said
layer
that
and
already.
Okay, I give it a 5 out of 7 because of the egg chips and this, because it was disgusting. I didn't really like it.
That was good.
So she didn't like the chocolate cookie wafer either. So all in all, it was a very good box. I really did enjoy it. Spain, y'all are doing y'all thing.
I have no idea what I'm going to take and what I'm going to eat.
So in the inside, like I showed y'all before, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go have a whole close up on it to
It's so
show you guys.
beautiful,
But
though.
it gives you a whole bunch of information on Spain.
Wait,
it
why
gives
is there lemon and fruit? Oh, that's a drink. Never mind.
It gives you all the things that was in the box, and it lets you have a scan code so you can learn more about Spain. And just look at it. It's so pretty. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. We really do appreciate it. If y'all want to see more videos like this, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. We would love to have
Don't
you join.
forget to share.
We would love for you to be a part of the family, so make sure you subscribe.
Wait,
Thank
we're
you.
actually inviting them
Thank
to
you.
our family.
So-
Mommy, we're actually inviting them to our family?
No.
Oh.
So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in our next video.
Bye,
Bye y'all.